Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to redeem your Steam wallet code effortlessly, so you can start gaming instantly. Welcome to our channel. Redeeming a Steam wallet code is a straightforward process that allows you to add funds to your Steam account quickly and safely. This tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring you can do it without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Steam website, or launch the Steam application on your computer. Once you are logged into your Steam account, locate the Games menu at the top of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. This option will direct you to a page where you can enter your code. Carefully type in the code you received from a retailer or an online purchase. Make sure to enter the letters and numbers exactly as they appear, including any hyphens or spaces. After entering your code, double-check its accuracy before clicking the Continue button. Steam will then verify your code, and if valid, it will immediately add the balance to your Steam wallet. At this stage, you can start browsing the Steam store and purchase games or in-game content. With the funds you added, it is important to ensure your internet connection is stable during the process. To avoid any interruptions, if you encounter any errors, double-check that the code is not expired, already used, or entered incorrectly. If problems persist, Steam support is available to assist you with redeeming your wallet code. Following these simple steps makes redeeming your Steam wallet code hassle-free, so you can enjoy your favorite games or new releases without delay. Remember to note down your code safely before redeeming it, and never share it with others to protect your account.